Hi, welcome back to Sumaya De Couture. Today I will show you how to make a shoulder Cape Aline dress, and shoulder is having knotted strap also. For this I am using 2 meters of cotton fabric. The direction of fabric is very important. When you cut the fabric, look the direction of the fabric. I am taking a pre-cut fabric for the bodice making. Attaching 2 layers for the front and back bodies. I'm cutting both the pieces together. The total length of the dress is 16 inch, not dress, the bodice is 16 inch with seam allowance, half inch on shoulder and half inch on waist area. My shoulder measurement is 7.5. Can give straight line, half inch for the seam allowance. My armhole round measurement is in 7.5, marking 7 inch. Chest measurement is 9 inch, mark a point at 9 inch, and I'm giving 1.5 inch seam allowance. 1 to 1.5 inch you can give. And next point is at best point. Okay, best measurement is 9 inch, adding 1 inch seam allowance. The third and final measurement in bodies is waist measurement. My waist measurement is 8 inch, adding 1.5 inch for the seam allowance. Join the lines from the chest to bust and waist area. Mark the seam allowance also, so you can see the lines very easily when you are sewing. Next is a neckline area. My total measurement is most nearly 8 inch, 7.5 to 8 inch. Out of this, 5 inch I am taking for the neckline, because I am creating a boat neckline, wide boat neckline. So mark a 5 inch for the neckline and 4 inch for the neck drop. Neckline length and width is 5 inch, and using a French ruler for the creating the boat shape. 4 inch and 5 inch. When you give 5 inch, you will get maximum wide. Using the same measurement for the front and back. If you like to attach the strap on the shoulder, at least you have to need a wide shoulder. Adding shoulder stop half inch, and mark the front and back armhole. Front is more deeper than back. Front is 1 inch deeper than back. Mark the armhole for the front and back. You can start cutting. Cut through the seam allowance line. Mark the notches, so when you are sewing you can easily identify the fabric is in the right area for the mark the slashes and cut through the seam allowance area. When you are cutting armhole, cut only on the back armhole. Front is more deeper. Then cut through the shoulder slope and then to the neckline. Neckline is similar in both front and back. 4 inch depth and 5 inch wide. So the lining and the fabric cutting is done. Separate the front and back pieces for sewing. Next we can do the bottom part. Actually I lost my video for the bottom measurement, so this is very simple align bottom. So you can mark the waist measurement to the bottom skirt and make a the slanting line for the A-line. A-line is very simple to make. Next I will show you how to do the the cape area. Transfer the the front and back. We have the same measurement for front and back. The neckline measurement to a folded fabric. This is the most easiest way for the cape. So transfer the neckline details, then mark 5 inch for the cape width. If you want more width, you can add more. So I'm adding only 5 inch. Join the lines and can cut the fabric. You will get 2 pieces for the front and back. If you want more thickness for the the cape, you can add lining for the cape also. I'm adding lining for this cape for front and back. Yeah, you can see the shape. I'm using black lining for the cape for throughout the dress. The next is a strap. I'm making 2 straps in front and 2 straps in back, so I can knot the strap. I can knot the shoulder area. The width of the strap is 6 inch and the length is 10 inch, so total I need 4. This is the front and back area, so we can start sewing for neckline. This is the cape for front and back. This is the bottom part. You can see it's a very simple A-line bottom. You can see the slanting. This is my strap for the shoulders. Can fold the strap and just do the throat sewing and turn to the right side. The corner area we can give the triangle finish, so give a cutting, so you'll get a good finish on the side. I'll show you how to do the clean finish on the neckline. For that you have to attach both the fabric right sides together. In between you have to add the cape, so you'll get the clean finish on the neckline. And the strap also you can attach the same time. Take a measurement from the shoulder 3 inch point and add cape on front, the front right and left area. The same on the back right and left area. Check the direction of the strap. So put all the pieces right sides together. The same way we can arrange the bottom also, the back also. I'm not showing the so the sewing part. The strap you can finish this way, so throughout the area leave a space for turning the the fabric to the right side out. So the sewing for the cape area, you can see the very beautiful cape, 5 inch width cape. Next we have to finish the armhole area. I did the clean finish for armhole also because it's sleeveless dress. This is the strap. The same we can see in the back also. Front and back and both are the same way, the neckline is same width, details are the same, so there is no difference for the front and back. And the waist area I'm adding the dart for more clean finish look, so we can add the dart on the front area. The same dart we are transferring to the skirt also, so you can get a one piece dart. You can see like a one piece dart. So mark the darts on the skirt, and otherwise you can sew the front and back together. The bottom and the front, bottom and skirt together, bottom and the bodice together, and then also you can finish the dart area. After that you have to attach the right sides together with the shoulder for the shoulder finish. The cape also you can close. You will get a clean finish round cape on the shoulder. Attaching a 2-inch strap on the bottom also. So this is the final look. Thanks for watching my video. Hi, if you like and satisfied with my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and for the notification please click the bell icon. Once again, thank you.